So now we're in Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky, the home of the Louisville Slugger, right there. So we're going inside.
Where are we gonna go? Here?
Yeah, we're waiting on a tour guide in like 3 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna catch up with the tour. So now we're in a factory where they make the bats.
So you're about 45 minutes away.
I'm thinking this one. That's cool. So now we're in a little gift shop. Unfortunately, you cannot do any video recording inside the factory.
I guess so.
You got that one?
Yeah.
Okay, and so we have these bats here, but they have like some bats in the store. Look at that. $149 for those. All those different kind of bats. They have all kind of souvenirs. Some cool glasses. I think that's plastic. It looks like wood. Let's go over here. Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Wow. $69. Look at this black one. Genuine Louisville Slugger. Wow.
This sounds cool.
Look at that. This is cool. This is really cool. Look at that. Youth Maple. Louisville Slugger. Really cool. Look at this.
Golf baseball.
Yeah, golf, baseball. Here's some, look like some signed baseballs here. $450 for that one. These are auction. So you may know, if you're into baseball, you may know some of these people. I'm not into baseball like that, but I like playing it. Let's see, what's this? Oh, the hard balls. $11. Yeah, let's go over here. See what else they got in here. Oh, here's a picture. Look at that.
I don't think you can even buy a Babe Ruth.
There's the box. Clear boxes.
That's cool. Over here.
It's 2 for 35.
Okay.
You want shirt here? This shirt?
Let's go pink. What's pink?
go pay. Look at these bats. These are collector's bats.
It's $4,000.
How much is that?
4,750.
1,000. Let's see. This is a $2,000 bat. $2,000. That's really cool. A couple $900 bats, $700.
Mommy's doing so.
There are personalized bats over here. There's a machine over here. Really cool. Nice store. Names throughout the years. Okay, so we're gonna go outside and get a picture of this big bat. Look at that.
Way up.
Yeah. Okay. Yo.
Way up like the wood. One bat.
Oh, there's your face again. Jump there. We're gonna go eat over here. Joe's Crab Shack.
Go to me.
Let's go eat.
I know. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at this. Push my phone.
You got a phone.
Ooh, look at that.
There you go.
Wow, looking good. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I gotta go.